Go.
This is how we do the shopping. Tuhod na nga ako.
Ha? Uy!
Baby! Wait lang ah. Ako niya kataya.
Go. So this is our host tonight.
This is our last day in Baguio
Night!
Night. And tomorrow's the last day. This is what you call strawberry.
Strawberry.
Come here, come here.
Come here, come here. Let's go and see what an English go.
And then the English comes between English and...
Let's visit the other room.
Let's visit the other room. This is room number.
Hello. Okay, this is the other room where we have the guys. Bye bye. And then who is here? That's Christy and where's Rose?
Sa banyo.
Banyo.
Diwan mo.
Rosie. Say hi. Yon. And then that's Mark, si Irvin, and si AJ. Yon. So where's our host? Ikaw. Go. Travel. Outside.
Go here.
Bit-bit ang strawberry.
And then this is the last room.
where there is no one.
Yeah.
But that's
Oh.
stupid. Oh! No one's here. So next stop.
Come here. This
Come,
is
come here.
Bintoy. It's playing.
That's
Clothes.
Bintoy
Yeah.
Teddy.
Feeling niya lang, alam niya, pero mukhang hindi naman.
Parang Arabo na gumagano. Tapos may snake. Then travel outside. Then I don't have any sleepers.
Everything's full of mirrors.
So there is a chimney.
Vertical mirrors.
Kago.
Smells like Oriental.
Usual. Aray ko. Kago. Okay. Wala akong sleepers. Okay, let's go up. Pucha, wala akong chinilas.
And then, this is what you call barefoot. And
it's
and
really
the
hard.
floor is really,
Is
really
it-
cold.
And the floor is like 6 degrees Celsius.
And
And ko
this is the reception area.
Are you sure?
They're not unidentified
Object.
walking objects.
Kagago ka. And then,
And I'm shy because there are people there.
ito yung living room. Because nakapaa ako and it's so malamig. So this is the bridgeway. And then there are
Pero mas
terrace.
malamig yung Sagada.
Oh,
Ay,
super.
ito mas
Sagada is badly.
Nakuha mo pa.
Pucha, naka-barefoot ako. In Sagada, I can't go barefoot. Oh, look, oh. His pee-pee.
No.
And then that's the garden. Ganyan. And then yours truly. Yung nakapaa. Bye-bye. And then go. Ay!
Ay, naka-bulb yun.
Dali. Go. Aray, nakapaa ako.
Wow.
She's
You
so
know, it's
beautiful.
water here.
And I tell her every
And she's moving.
day. Ay, may pucha ka. In Sagada, we can't go barefoot, promise. Dito kaya ko. Hello. Ay, bangag.
Oy.
Hello. May chimney kami.
The fireplace, because we need it here.
That's where